It's been a great month so far in these stock index portfolios. Recently hitting equity peaks. Today is a down day. We have some losers on the short and long side, mainly on the short side. Tricky market to trade. We bought the dip less, and the strategies anticipated more downside today. It found support at 91.50 in the NASDAQ. Not sure if that is really valid or if it's just a short-term bounce. Would think that the market should have been down today. Just normal ebbs and flows happen in the market. A strong bull market can still have sell-offs and have more ebbs and flows, but this bull market just wants to eliminate any sort of ebb and flow and just go straight up every day, which is pretty extreme. And so we see a short trade right here. Right now we're flat between the longs and shorts, and so you see this short trade right here. It's balanced by a long trade. It is down on the day, AT 2019. And then you have the AT 2020 NQ stopped out minus 725. And you have AT Asia 4 long entry. It is long. It got long overnight. And so it is on the right side of the trade right now. Let's see. You have those are the three trades on this. This was from yesterday. Breakout exited. There was a long exit right there. We went over that for yesterday's trades. And so you have only three trades on this workspace. In the first workspace, you have more trades. Cobra 3 stopped out, and so you continue to get these patterns. If it sells off, it kind of creates this check mark pattern. And so you have, for example, I used to call this a check mark pattern, a flash return pattern. And so it's kind of you have this down and then check mark, down and then check mark. It always down and then check mark. And so it seems to be an endless number of down and then back up again. And so not typical for this to last forever, but it seems to be very prolonged, especially with QE. It's very hard to short. But Cobra 3 short, minus 625 on the ES, minus 625 on the NQ. And then we have plus 450 on tick count trend 2 1 minute. Some nice trading here in this counter trend market environment. Very choppy market environment in the ES. You see that. And so tick count trend 2 was on the right side of the trade, taking the counter trend short yesterday and long today. We have 60-minute breakout just went long in this area, plus 187.50 on the ES. Gap continuation, a small loss. You see, kind of the opposite of tick count trend 2. Tick count trend 2 was short yesterday. It made money on the short side while we tried to capture the continuation. Then we tried to capture the continuation on the short side today, and it reversed. And so it's just kind of a mean reverting channel market. It's in this channel right here, week-long channel, and so it's difficult to trade sometimes when it does that. Stock index swing, once again, reversal, short trade, and then it just reverses, hard rally back, and so very challenging. And so let's look at Cobra CT3, even the S&P. Nice entry up plus 700 on the long side of the trade today. And then AT 2020 and AT 2020 short entry. Those are short today, and they're down the day. Between the longs and the shorts, these two are still long, and these two are still short. And so we're flat on this workspace because those trades counterbalance, offset each other. And this is short, and this one is long. And so those offset. And so flat right now, down on the day on these strategies. And Cobra Euro was down, Asia Gold was down, kind of a reversal, choppy, wide-ranging day. And so we get those sometimes, and we have those down days. Cobra Crude, minus $5, a scratch trade, basically. SR counter trend natural gas, SR counter trend 3, it's holding short. And so you want to analyze this as you go into Friday. If you want to hold this trade over the weekend, if you're short natural gas, be careful on that. And no other trades. SR counter trend 2 did not short. That gap up on SR counter trend 2. We had a gap up on the day session, and SR counter trend 2 did not take that short in natural gas the way it had the last 2 days, where it was nice trade on Tuesday, and then kind of a break-even trade yesterday. So those are the trades today on the all Strategy Access portfolios and what's going on in the markets today.